Excellennial here with another story-based Excel tutorial, and today I'm telling you about Katie the knitter. To stay organized, she wants a list of yarn colors and her supply of each to display vertically in the columns. To do this, we're going to use Paste Vertical. Here's Katie's spreadsheet, and as you can see, when she pastes all of the colors into her spreadsheet from the website that she buys yarn from, it just pastes in all sorts of rows and columns. Definitely not how she wants to have this organized. You can see in column K and column L that she wants to have one column just with the yarn color and one column that tells the stock that she has of that color. So how are we going to get all of these colors of yarn to be vertically pasted into the spreadsheet? We are going to do something called transpose. The first thing that we need to do is figure out how we're going to paste everything. So it looks like we have A for amber here that goes all the way through the B's, and then it starts again in cell A3 with another B color. So the colors are going alphabetically like a list here. So that's the way that we're going to copy and paste them into the yarn colors column K. Let's start with amber through burgundy. Now we want to paste this in cell K2, but we want to transpose them. So to do that, we're going to right-click and select Paste Special. When we get our pop-up, the only thing that we need to focus on is at the very bottom, the transpose option. Once we check that, we can click OK, and then you can see everything got vertically pasted into the cells. Now we just have to do that with the rest of these items. Something I want to point out here, though, is that we cannot paste in this way if we cut the cells. So on top here, you can see in row 1, amber through burgundy didn't disappear because we didn't cut the information when we paste it into column K. Let me show you what I'm talking about. If I select all of these items here and cut these items and try to paste them into K12, Paste Special is not available. So when we try to take these colors, we have to copy them. We can delete those columns later, so this is still okay, but it will be an issue if you try to cut the items. Okay, now that we have added all of the yarn colors to this one column K by using the transpose option, we can actually delete all of these columns, and now this is exactly what she was looking for. So the only thing that Katie had to learn is how to paste vertical by using transpose. And now she doesn't have to type out each individual color into the vertical section. She's going to save a ton of time anytime she has to collect any kind of data from her yarn supply website and paste it into an Excel sheet. Now she has exactly what she wants and can quickly take stock of all of the items that she has. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below, and until next time, have fun excelling!